Hi there. If you are looking for the solution to Android CapCut Update Stop, then you are at the right place. This method will work for Play Store app. Even it will work if you have downloaded this manually outside Play Store. So, let's begin. Go to Play Store. Tap on Profile icon. Manage apps and device. Come to Manage. The app list is puzzled. Tap here and choose Name. Now come to CapCut. Tap on 3 dots. And untick this Enable Auto Update. Now your CapCut will not be updated anymore until you switch it on. My next video will be on how to force Stop CapCut Update with a simple software. Let us know further on the comment box. Please subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.